I'm at Now Emerald, and this is how you're greeted with two gentlemen with a nice cold cloth saying, "Welcome home." Thank you. This morning I am at the brand new Now Emerald in Cancun. And I was greeted at the door by a gentleman with a cold cloth saying, "Welcome home." That's the loveliest greeting. Makes you feel special and welcome. Lobby is nice and cool and refreshing. There's lots of chairs for comfortable seating, and there is a lobby bar. Now, it's not that I necessarily want a drink, but it's that there's a bar to go to have cold water, a pop, and a beer if you so desire. And it's right in the lobby, so you're not looking all over. I like that. We have a wide variety of spirits to choose from. There's wine. Good morning.
How are you today?
Excelente, thank you. And you can sit outside and enjoy something to drink and look at the ocean. This is a family-friendly hotel, and there's a family playing pool. Good morning. Yes, Alexandra, nice to meet you. Now look at this. Isn't that a beautiful drink? And Rita has kindly bought me it's called Caribbean Sea. And there's no alcohol? Okay, perfect, because this is just the start of my day. Thank you very much. And we're now going to have a check of the Preferred Club bar. So this is an area that is specific to you if you have chosen a room category that has the name Preferred. Hola. Muy bien. Here's some goodies. Yogurt. And it's nice and cool in here. So if you're wanting a little bit of respite from the heat, they have a wide selection of alcohol. Thank you. I do suggest when you check into this resort, treat yourself to a spa treatment. There's nothing more relaxing than having a body massage for 50 minutes, 80 minutes, whatever you decide. There's an area for makeup and hair. It smells lovely in here. So let's just have a little wander through. I would like to show you the hydrotherapy. Okay, perfect. We're going to have a look at the hydrotherapy. Treatment rooms, 3 and 3. 6 treatment rooms, so. And 2 for couples. Oh, and 2 for couples, that's nice. So my suggestion when you check in is to have a look at the spa menu and make your choice and have a treatment. Oh, this is lovely. Very nice. Beautiful. Open 24 hours. This is the Coco Cafe cafeteria, and it's open 24 hours. So if you feel you need a bit of coffee. Good morning. Tiramisu, hazelnut, caramel, Irish cappuccino, frozen toffee, and a selection of breads and muffins and some fruit. So that's a nice way to start your day. Good morning. And a selection of Bigelow tea. So if you're not a coffee drinker, you have a selection of tea. Gracias. It's very pretty, so you can have a little something in there or out here in one of the chairs.
We have another restaurant and another bar over here.
This is the adult-only pool. That's a nice option. Not everyone wants to be, you know, near children if they're splashing and whatever, so that's a nice option.
However, this restaurant is open for children as well.
The restaurant over there?
Yeah, it's Mediterranean style, and right now they are doing some renovations.
Oh, okay. They're doing renovations because, bear in mind, this resort is new. So when do you anticipate this completed? A month? Okay. Okay. This is lovely with Bali beds. Nice gentle breeze. Beautiful view. This is the pool that's specifically for children, so not super deep, but great for your kids. And here we have hi, Rita.
And this is the Sushi Bar over there, and this is also for children or all families.
All families. This is beautiful. I mean, this view. Isn't this beautiful?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, I love this. That is the swim-up bar. How unique. Look at the view that these guests look at when they're swimming, is this beautiful Caribbean sea. Very little seaweed here. Is there always less seaweed here, Alejandra, than?
Yes.
That's a good selling point.
As you can see, it's almost nothing.
This is the Sushi Bar, and it closes early in the afternoon, and it can be used for a private event, a reception, wedding reception.
What's going on, boy?
This is a deluxe ocean view in very soothing colors, turquoise, like the ocean. This room does not have a balcony, but seemingly it won't make any difference. The window does open. Very soothing colors. And is there a mini fridge as well? Is there a mini fridge?
Yes.
So let's just have a peek and see what's in the mini fridge. Ah, and there's coffee. Look at those large cups. Here's the coffee. And there is a good selection. Diet Coke, Coke, beer, Fanta, and water. Perfect. And slippers and a safe. And we'll have a quick peek. There's the amenities. A lit makeup mirror and shower and tub combined. Very nice. And here we are at another wedding location. What can you tell me about this location?
Yeah, this is a beautiful terrace that we can use for ceremonies or wedding cocktail receptions, with, of course, the beautiful lagoon view, and the sunsets here are amazing.
Beautiful. This, and how many would you assume this would accommodate? Maybe 40 people?
Maybe between 40 and 50,
yeah.
Yes. We can decor the columns.
Oh, so you can wrap chiffon and flowers and
flowers.
Oh, this would be a lovely area, and it's private.
Yes.
Very nice. Beautiful. This restaurant is called
Spice is the Asian restaurant.
Ah, and this can be used after your ceremony. You can have your reception here. It's air conditioned. Yes.
And a beautiful view, of course.
Now, could they have music here?
Yes.
And what would be the cost to rent this? Are you aware?
We're still working on that, but yeah, definitely we can get very good deals.
So ask me about the price of renting this for your wedding reception. You overlook a beautiful golf course there, and of course the sunsets. This would be lovely. And if it's a private reception, they can have their own colors.
Yes, of course.
Perfect.